Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing slow performance on your PS5. Place your PS5 on a flat surface where you can comfortably access the buttons and ports. Make sure your PS5 is powered on, and you've reached the main home screen. Pick up the PS5 controller, and navigate to the top right settings gear icon. Select the settings menu on your PS5 and wait for it to open fully. Scroll down slowly and go to the Save Data and Games/App Settings option on your PS5. Select Game Presets inside this menu on your PS5. Look for the option called Performance Mode or Resolution Mode on your PS5. If your PS5 is currently set to Resolution Mode, this is likely slowing things down. Resolution Mode prioritizes graphics quality over performance on your PS5. Select Performance Mode instead to prioritize smoother gameplay on your PS5. Confirm the selection and back out to the main settings screen on your PS5. Next, scroll to System in the PS5 settings menu. Inside System Settings, go to Power Saving options on your PS5. Select Features available in rest mode on your PS5. Make sure Stay connected to the internet is enabled for automatic updates on your PS5. This reduces background update lag when actively using the PS5. Now return to the System menu and scroll to Power Options on your PS5. Select Restart PS5 to apply the settings properly. Wait for the PS5 to restart fully before touching any buttons. Once the PS5 turns back on, return to the home screen. Now we're going to check storage on your PS5. Open PS5 settings and go to Storage. Look at how much free space is available on your PS5. If your PS5 storage is nearly full, performance can suffer. Select any large unused games and choose Delete to free space on your PS5. If you do not want to delete games permanently, consider transferring them to external storage compatible with the PS5. Now back out and return to the PS5 home screen. We will now clear the system cache on your PS5. Power off your PS5 completely, not rest mode. Wait until the PS5 power indicator light turns off fully. Hold the PS5 power button until you hear 2 beeps to enter safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller with a USB cable. Press the PS5 controller's PS button to navigate the safe mode menu. Select the option Clear Cache and Rebuild Database on your PS5. Confirm the selection and allow the PS5 to restart. This process optimizes internal system files for faster operation on your PS5. Once the PS5 restarts, return again to the home screen. Navigate to Settings one final time on your PS5. Scroll to Network to ensure your PS5 has stable internet. Select Test Internet Connection to verify everything is working correctly. If speeds are low, switch your PS5 to a wired Ethernet connection. A wired connection provides more stable performance than Wi-Fi on your PS5. Now return to your PS5 home screen. Open any game you play frequently to test speed improvements. Pay attention to load times and menu responsiveness on your PS5. If the PS5 feels faster already, your performance mode change worked. If the PS5 still feels slow, make sure you also close unused background apps. Press the PS button and swipe through open apps on your PS5. Close any apps you are not currently using. This frees memory and processing power on your PS5 instantly. Return to gameplay to check performance again. Your PS5 should now operate smoother and respond faster. If things are still slightly slow, try rebooting the PS5 once more. Small changes like this can make large improvements in PS5 performance. Once everything feels smooth, you're good to go. These adjustments are safe and recommended for all PS5 users. Remember, tiny settings can make big differences in performance on your PS5. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more PS5 troubleshooting. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. See you in the next PS5 fix video.